Take the cube root of 27, raise it to the 4th power, and then square that number. What will be your final answer? All right, what is your final answer? This is, like I said, kind of arithmetic type stuff. So let's talk about it. What's a cube root? What's a square root? And then what's a 4th power? So good old exponents day, and also we're going to look at some radical looks, okay? So let's take a look at this problem. Let's see what we've got. It says take the cube root of 27. Now, folks, when we write 27, it looks quite innocent there, doesn't it? And we put this cube root symbol, and that little 3 right down there, kind of in the little groove right there, it makes the difference between it being a square root versus a cube root, all right? And what I'm looking here for is a number that will multiply times itself 3 times, all right? Something times something times something that will give me 27. Well, I start thinking about some of my, what I call the perfect cubes, all right? I know 1 cubed is 1. I know 2 times 2 times 2, that's 3 times of that, gives me 8. And now let's go to the 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 more is 27. So there's my start right there. I look for the cube root of 27. That number would be 3, all right? Now, we're going to take that 3, and we're going to raise it, according to the problem of the day, to the 4th power. That means we're going to run our exponent up to the 4th power. So we're going to write that 3 to the 4th. That's our next step, all right? And 3 to the 4th, my goodness, that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. It will give you 81. Gives you 81. Now, we aren't done, though. It says now, take that number 81, and let's do what with it? We're going to make a square root happen. Now, that's going to be this little crazy radical symbol without a 2 there, because we understand if there's no number in there, it's called a square root, all right? So it's going to be a number times itself that gives us 81. Go to your times tables for that one, dear friends. 9 times 9. So here we have it. We're back to 9 again. There we go. So we start with 27, ran down to 3, bumped up to 81, and come back to 9. Cube root, 4th power, square root the final answer. Ta-da. There we go.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.